We're not no BS contractor.
There's no culture like ours.
For us, the contractor industry, we take great pride in redefining.
The new standard.
We are purpose-driven.
Creating remarkable experiences
with that grit and that tenacity and that perseverance to really make a dent in the universe.
The hardest work I've ever done, but you have the best people around you. You know you're helping somebody.
Always somebody to talk to. Nobody really judges you for who you are.
It's a special breed. Not everybody is made to do this.
Whenever you walk into the office, it is full of energy.
Life is short. Work somewhere great. Our team is really diverse. A lot of differences among us that ultimately make us stronger.
In any given day, life throws a lot of things at you. It's about being able to cut through that bullshit and bring everything you got to every single opportunity in front of you.